Hello there, crafty friends. It's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and I'm here today with a super quick video to give you a heads up that this Saturday I will be back with a special video for the 10,000 Reasons Hop and Giveaway that Rebecca from IAMMAMA24 here on YouTube is hosting. She is celebrating her 10,000th subscriber in a huge way. There are over 30 participants in this hop and over 40 prizes. So I just wanted to give you a heads up so you can stop by and subscribe to any of the collaborators that you aren't already subscribed to and give you a little peek at some of the wonderful sponsors. The hostess, all of the other collaborators, and each of the sponsors is listed in the description box below. I hope you will go check them all out and then stop back by here Saturday to see what I have created to help Rebecca celebrate. Until my next video, I hope you're having a crafty day. Bye-bye.